looking at the future of cleaning. A cord-free answer to your every floor cleaning need. 75 million vibrating microfibers that work like nothing you've tried before. Say hello to Pogo, the ingenious all-surface cleaning breakthrough. Pogo is uniquely engineered, cordless, and lightweight, allowing you to clean everywhere dirt goes. Imagine finally being able to clean every floor in your home with one amazing invention. Pogo makes cleaning so fast and easy, giving you beautiful, spotless floors that not only look clean, they're proven more clean. After a few passes with a sponge mop, you thought your floor was clean. But this blacklight demo reveals the mess your sponge mop leaves behind. Now look how with just one pass of Pogo, your floor's Pogo clean. The rechargeable batteries give you 45 minutes of cord-free Pogo power, while the lightweight, low-profile design allows you to clean everywhere dirt goes.
Unlike superficial scrubbers that just skim across your wood or tile surface, leaving dirt and bacteria behind, Pogo delivers an amazing 66 oscillations per second of high-speed harmonic vibration, activating 75 million dirt-grabbing microfibers to get deep into the cracks, lifting away and trapping the dirt within the fibers, so nothing is left behind.
Come on, let's go.
We took Pogo door to door to conduct a real-life hygiene test, and the result will amaze you. House after house, we put Pogo to the before and after cleaning test.
What's that number?
1749.
Okay, at least we got 1749.
Is that a good number?
No, not really.
Oh,
Maya quickly Pogoed her bathroom tile.
nice.
What is that?
42.
Self-proclaimed clean freak Julie was shocked by the reading in her RV.
1576.
But her dirty bathroom floor was no match for Pogo.
4. A 4 is like brand new. It's like
super,
brand new.
super sanitary. It's like you bought a new RV.
Yes.
So try Pogo today. Remember, your home is not clean unless it's Pogo clean.